and gentlemen, lastly we have a truly icon, someone who just conquered the world of entertainment but is also making significant stride in business and entrepreneurship. I would request Mr. Akshay Kumar to please share his words this evening.
Okay, hi everyone. I just wish everyone on the platform good luck, and this whole thing is going to change a lot of things in fashion, and I'm happy and very proud to be along with these people who are here, and thank you very much everyone for being here, and good luck Dramatic for getting the show on where is it going to come? It's a big surprise. It's a big surprise. As you know, Karan loves surprises, so we're all waiting for that. So thank you very much everyone.
Very, very excited. A huge round of applause. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for sharing this.